don't know all
I
the words.
would only be in your way. And
Already? I thought there was another chorus first.
we have a time limit.
Oh, sorry.
I gotta skip lyrics.
We'll always love you. Hey, all you Denver to Santa Fe omelet lovers out there. Welcome to
The best cooking show in the world.
Two Chefs.
One knife.
And
I have to burp.
I will take that burp. If they're tuning in for the first time, I am Chef MPH.
I'm Chef Grace / Chef Yam.
Welcome.
We're making breakfast sandwiches.
Breakfast, yeah. We're doing like a combo. So we're doing like a Denver omelet / quesadilla, right?
Mm-hmm.
Kinda.
And whatever we feel like doing after.
And we got a ninja sneaking in right now
Yes.
with his quarantine mask. That's a very tropical mask, by the way. You should show everybody.
Good,
Look
right?
at that. It's like palm trees.
Like COVID free.
Wow.
It's either he's afraid of COVID or the smell of my farts. I don't know which one it is.
A little bit of both. Yeah.
Chefs are back. All right.
Dun, 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 dun.
All right, so Denver omelet. I believe it is traditionally bell pepper, usually green, onions, mushrooms, egg, ham, cheese, and love. All right, so what we're gonna do here, because we don't want to eat all those raw veggies, so we're gonna hit a little bit of oil. So we're gonna just saute off these veggies on the side. So we got the mushrooms, we got the onions, and we got the peppers. There you go. We're gonna hit that with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and now right beside it, we're gonna hit it with a little oil again. And then from here, we're gonna hit it with 3 eggs. Beautiful. There you go. We're gonna kind of spread it around a little bit. Look at that. And then from here, we're gonna hit it with some ham, part of our Denver omelet. Hammy, hammy, hammy. Hit it with some cheese, just like so. Then we're gonna hit it with our quesadilla right on top. The eggs start cooking on that. We're gonna flip our veg a little bit. Getting a nice sear on that egg. Alright, so the egg is cooked enough here. So we're going to get under it. So we're going to go
Oh yeah.
just like so. From here, going to hit it with a little more cheese in the middle. Just like that. Egg hasn't been seasoned yet, so we're also going to hit a little bit of salt and pepper on that egg. Then we're going to take our veggies. Right on top of that cheese. Go. We got our veggies. We're gonna hit it with a little more cheese. Then we're gonna hit it with another quesadilla on top. And we're gonna cook that out. Alright, so this side's cooked long enough. Now we're gonna flip it to melt the cheese and toast the tortilla on this side. Is that ready? Alright, so the bottom side is all nice and toasted. The cheese all melted, you can see. So we're gonna lift her up onto our cutting board. Now don't forget, if you did not need a whole quesadilla, you could always just do it by the half too, and instead of putting one on top, you just kind of fold it over and just make like a half moon. But Chef Yam's really hungry today, so I went for the full Monty here.
Okay, so that took us about 2 seconds, so we're gonna show you how to make another breakfast sandwich. And
That's what she said!
so I'm gonna do that TikTok sandwich. I'm gonna try to. This is like no practice, my first attempt. We don't even have the right bread. We have bagels, so let's just see what will happen. Okay, so we got 3 eggs here. And then we go like this. And then we go like this. Then that. Let the egg kind of form a little crust. Help, I don't know if it's gonna work. Flip it. That. Nice ham in the middle. Some cheese. Flip.
Nice work.
That was okay, right? First time.
First time I ever did something, I was by myself.
How was that poop for you?
I was scared. Is that breakfast? Is that the poo-poo platter? Doesn't look weird. Looks alright. Quesadilla and egg bagel. Sure, eyes only. For your eyes only, James Bond.
All right.
Wow, it's a lot of egg sandwich.
It is.
Alright, I'm gonna go quesadilla. Ooh, it's stuck to the other one. Ready?
Ready.
Breakfast quesadilla. That's freaking fantastic.
Good. Very cheesy.
There's a lot of cheese in there.
Yeah.
The tortilla is good because there's not as much bread.
Mhm.
You get a lot more of the egg and veggie and cheese.
Yep.
That is cheesy.
That is.
Yay, bagel
Yay,
sandwich.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's a very convenient way of making a sandwich.
It
The
is.
bagel has a lot more bread, obviously, than the quesadilla,
Yeah.
but the flavor's good.
Breakfast sandwich, pretty simple.
Right?
Mhm.
Simple but yet key to the success of your day. Did we just get cracking? Yep. What was with those weird chicks with the whips? They're weird.
Are you talking about the video game or
Yeah.
your?
Are you talking about last night?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for inviting me over, Grace. That was weird. Those chicks with the whips. Next one. That was very solid.
Yeah. Smooth.
Yeah.